This is a quick video just about an upgrade you can do with Nowsite. Okay, so if you're just doing the unlimited account, month to month, you're either in at 19 bucks, 49 or 99, depending on when you first got the unlimited account. And with this new package they put out, it costs $38 a month. Okay, this is something that I'm doing right now. Is it worth it? I'm not sure yet, but all I can do is just show you for $38 more what you get. Okay, and I'm not saying to get it. I'm trying it right now, and I'll do I guess an analysis or a review. Give me about 30 days. And this is it right here. Let me move my face out of the way. Okay. Unlimited GPT-4 access. I mean, the whole world is freaking out about this unlimited GPT-4 access. I can take it or leave it. Automated lead generation. That's kind of cool, because if you can automate lead generation while you're going to bed, that's pretty awesome. And I have a way to do it for free. So for 24 bucks, it is cool. But the way that I do it is hilarious because it's free. And if you guys go back a few videos, you can see how I use, what is it called? I forget the name of it. Is it OP clicks? Auto clicks. It's OD or opautoclicks.com. Just go to that website and read. Okay. That's just a little side note. Okay. Live Zoom support. What I do whenever I have a problem, and it's kind of lengthy, and it's usually just about how to do something. What their support team will do is, hey, Corey, you know what? We're chatting back and forth. Let's just do a live Zoom. What they'll do is they'll send me a link. I'll click it. Both that person at Nowsite and me, we're just sitting there doing a Zoom just one-on-one. And then I'll just go, okay, I'm trying to make an email, but I need this word to be clickable to like my LiveGood capture page. They're like, okay. So they'll take over my screen if I want them to, and I'll just sit there watching the screen, and they'll go, okay, Corey, go here, click here, write this, do that, attach this, boom. Okay, that's kind of the beauty of the live Zoom support. Okay, and I love using it, that's for sure. Okay, what is unlimited email? Okay, now what I use it for is if you have the unlimited account, that's still awesome. Because, man, you can get a ton of leads every day and every month. But if you have unlimited email addresses, guess what? You can get 5 different Gmail accounts like I got. I have. I don't know if got or have is the same, but one's good and the other one sounds real bad when you use it in a sentence. But normally it's 24 bucks a month. With unlimited email, you can come up with a whole bunch of email, unique, individual email accounts, and you can send up to 500 emails on each one. And if you go ahead and get thousands and thousands and thousands, if not 10 to 30,000 emails, which is quite easy with this AI technology, what you can do is you can send like 400 emails maybe out for LiveGood, 400 for your pizza joint, 400 if you sell cars. Maybe send out, if you want, you can send out 1,200 emails with 3 different accounts, because Gmail allows up to 500 a day, and so does Nowsite. Okay, any more than that, they'll consider you a massive spammer and a robot or an Autobot or a transformer like Optimus Prime, and they'll probably freeze your account. Okay, but according to Nowsite, you can go up to 500 on each account. So when it says unlimited email, what that means is that you can, form 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 50 different email accounts and blast out a lot of emails up to 500 per. Okay, the 1000 SMS. No, that's not sadomasochism with salad. They look like text messages, okay? And you can get 1,000 of them sent out each month, because when you're getting people's contacts, they will have their phone numbers, their messenger, their LinkedIn, their Facebook, their email. There's a lot of information that you get on each person. So you want to take baby steps. I always do emails in the beginning. Then I might follow up with a text. Then I might do something in their messenger on Facebook. I do baby steps. I don't want to just barge in with my opportunity like I own the place and go, man, LiveGood's the best. And let me tell you what, it's my way or the highway. And even if people want to do LiveGood, they don't want to do business with somebody like that. They'll find someone else in LiveGood that's a little more low key and a little more chill and take baby steps. You know, that's how you got to look at this company. Just relax, kind of ease, because this is a very powerful system on getting a lot of contact information about people all over the planet. So the last one for 27 bucks says unlimited personality analysis. Now, what this software does is it studies their habits, it studies what they post, it studies their age, what their jobs are, and it'll give you kind of a personality analysis. So you can even tell this software that, well, maybe I want more people that are energetic. They go hiking, fishing, kiting, skiing, water skiing. Maybe they're more active into wave runnering. And what the AI software can do is search for people that you might just want to sit on a chair and go, okay, who's my ideal person that might really like LiveGood and our products? Okay. The more information you put in, the more accurate, hopefully that lead, I like to call them people, might be. So I'm just showing you this because for 38 bucks, it's a special, because if you get all of those, it's 133 bucks itemized. But Nowsite, they just offered this opportunity to us. It's 38 bucks. If you want to try it 1 month, great. Like I said, this is not a contract. This is just something. If you think you'd like to have unlimited email, where you can do like 4 or 5 email accounts with, going all over the place all day in automation, that's kind of cool. If you think that 1,000 texts each month is quite nice, which I do, because a text is very personal, and most people, if their cell phone's activated, they will get that text, okay? But like I said, I go baby steps into email, and then I might ease on into the text, and then maybe into the Facebook Messenger. You guys know what I'm talking about. So, but anyway, just think about it. It's AI Power Pack. Okay, and it's 38 bucks. I'm going to do it for a month or two, and I'll see what my results are. And if I'm getting crazy amounts of pre-enrolls and some real decent people joining my group in LiveGood, the 38 bucks is more than worth it. So anyway, just think about it. I just had someone ask about the texts and all that stuff. And you can do this individually. Like I said, you can do the 1,000 a month for 19 bucks. You can do unlimited email for only 24. You can do the auto generation for 24. Right now, I use about 4 out of those. So anyway, it's up to you. Okay, that's enough for now. If you haven't joined LiveGood, the join link or just the free tour is just right above, or below actually on YouTube. That's right. And if you're looking at Nowsite, I got a link right below. And if you want it for a month for 19 bucks, put in promo code 19 and they'll offer it to you for 19. If it doesn't work, try code 49. Okay, because they keep giving me codes to give everyone discounts, and by the time you watch this video, it could be outdated to another code. So, all right, you guys take care. We'll talk to you next video.